Welcome, today I'm running your iPhone 14 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. For example, if you just use the Gmail application on your iPhone device, so you just should first open the Gmail application, and if you want to log out here from the Gmail account, you should click on the right upper corner. Now we can see here this account, and if you want to just remove it from here, you should click manage accounts on this device, and after that you can see here this account. You can just turn off this switcher just to don't use this account, or also you can add here another account, or just to remove it from this device, you should click here remove from this device and confirm your action by click here to remove. And that's it. We have the message that this mail has been removed, this account has been removed from your Gmail application. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.